First snare hits, your main lead phrase. Second snare hits, fill. That goes into the next kick. Right, that's like pretty standard music production stuff right there. That's pretty standard like dubstep composition, where it's like hit on the one is like your hit. Once the snare hits, your lead comes in, and then on the second snare you fill. Go back again. Do that 3 times, and then you have a bridge at the end. That's Cinema. That's like every Skrillex song from that album almost. That's like every Bro Step song from that era. You can name the bunch of them. They're all like exactly the same. I did that on this one because I was so far away from it at this point. Like, dude, this is not dubstep. You know what I mean? So I was like, yeah, I'll use that structure. I know it totally works. And this is like very highlighted by the vocal fills though. That's when like the attention is grabbed again. So we have this. That's like the turnaround. So this loops around 3 times, and then I bring the chords back in for the bridge. It's like a mini bridge and then a fill noise. So I'll explain the fill noise is going to be the thing that like perks your ears up. I'll get into that. But by the way, this little metallic thing, dude, straight up dubstep technique. Like if you listen to dubstep in like 2013, you'd be like, yeah, dog, that's like every song. But it's a massive patch. You just like it's a pitch bend on like a detuned pitch cutoff thing, and it just yeah. There's so many songs that have that. The only difference with this is it has that small room reverb thing that I talked about, and then there's some Foleys that go clunk clunk before it. Pretty simple.